Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I just wanted to show you the parts of a hammer. First off, we have the face, the striking face here. And then we have the pole from here to here. Then we have the neck from here to here. The cheek, and the claw, and the eye. This one has an octagon neck and pole, and it's got a straight claw. This one has a milled face, straight claw, has an octagon neck. And if you guys have heard the term bell face means that it's slightly curved on the top. See how it's rounded? So when you hit the nail is flush with the wood. Now this one, it's actually flat. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys a few things, and real quick I'll show you this one. This hammer's pretty cool. It's a Mead drop forged, and I don't think the other ones have any maker's marks on them. I don't believe. No, those are just plain ones. But anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.